Okay, those are the words that they're like magical words in the real estate industry. Your favorite words: clear to close. That means all of the underwriting is done. Everything's passed through every checkpoint along the way between contract and close, and your closing date is firm now. We know what time we're closing. We know where we're closing. You could be closing in person. You could be closing what's called a mail away, which when you're out of town,
with a remote closer,
which is remote. So we discuss what's ever best for you and make that happen. And by closing, what we really mean is signing papers. You'll be signing the deed. You'll be signing all paperwork that's associated with the closing of the house. At this point, according to the Florida standard contracts, the buyer gets possession at closing. So at this point, the moving van has come. You're packed out. You're broom cleaning your house and getting it ready for its new owner, and you're moving forward into your next
transition. So make sure you bring your keys and your garage door opener to closing. That's important.
And your wiring instructions, because most likely your proceeds will be wired directly into your account on that day, and onward to your next destination. Congratulations.